Are Coursera software testing courses actually worth your time? And which ones should you take if you're serious about getting into QA or automation? In this video, I'll give you a quick review of the best software testing courses on Coursera and help you choose the right one. If you want to explore these courses, I've linked them below so you can check details and see what fits your goals. Let's start with the top options. One of the most popular programs is Software Testing and Automation by the University of Minnesota. This course has over 1,000 reviews and a solid rating of around 4.2 out of 5. It's a full specialization, so it covers everything from basics to automation tools like Selenium. This is a strong choice if you want a complete learning path. Another great option is Software QA and Test Automation Engineering. This one has a higher rating of around 4.7 and focuses more on hands-on tools like API testing, automation frameworks, and real-world workflows. It's more practical and ideal if you want job-ready skills quickly. And a third option worth looking at is Foundations of Software Testing and Validation by the University of Leeds. This one has a strong rating of around 4.6 with hundreds of reviews. It's beginner-friendly and focuses on core testing concepts, so it's a good starting point if you're new. Now let's talk about what you actually learn. Most of these courses cover test cases, automation, debugging, quality assurance, and tools used in real development environments. Some also include projects, which are important because employers care about what you can actually build and test. Now here's something important most people don't realize. If you plan to take multiple courses, paying for each one separately can get expensive. In many cases, getting the annual Coursera Plus subscription is more valuable. You get access to a large number of courses and can learn multiple skills without paying again every month. So, if you're serious about learning software testing or even branching into related areas like data or development, this can save you a lot of money in the long run. But let's keep it real. Courses alone won't get you a job. You still need to practice, build projects, and understand how testing works in real-world systems. So, are Coursera software testing courses worth it? If you choose the right course and actually apply what you learn, then yes, they can be a great starting point for a career in QA or automation, especially if you combine them with hands-on practice. If you want to explore these courses or check out Coursera Plus, you'll find the links in the description. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more simple and honest reviews like this.